This week on Kwentong Madiskarte, powered by PLDT Homebiz.
Umangat ang aming sales, umangat ang aming manpower, umangat din ang aming scope, ang aming market.
Click like, share, and subscribe to this video for more Kwentong Madiskarte videos.
My name is Adrian T. Our business, Tinapay by Ads, it started at the height of the lockdown. So naisip ko lang na to be able to make sure na meron kaming variety of food to eat, why not learn baking? I tried the ube pandesal because it was a hit at that time. And eventually, my family loved it. I posted it online via my Facebook story and I got orders already. Tapos ever since that day, we never stopped baking. We can only market our product through the social media, and we really capitalized on that. We made sure as well na we will be able to deliver to our clients the best quality product so that when they receive our product, it will not just be something that they will keep to themselves, but they will have the urgency to share it as gifts. Yung mga satisfied clients namin, were able to connect us, to link us to the celebrities and influencers. With that, we were able to gather more followers. We were able to maximize yung connections na meron sila. We started siguro at an average na mga 2,000, 3,000 daily sales nung umpisa. And then now, we are enjoying around 10,000 sales per day. It was able to really sustain us, not even just sustain us, it was able to make us thrive through the pandemic. And at the same time, we were able to enjoy a bit of a quality life because of the business. Umangat ang aming sales, umangat ang aming manpower. Nagkaroon kami ng opportunity na makapag-hire kahit pahirap ang mga taong makahanap talaga ng trabaho or natatanggalan ng trabaho sa ganitong pagkakataon. Umangat din ang aming scope, ang aming market dahil sa dami ng mga followers na patuloy na tumatangkilik sa mga produkto ng tinapay. Madiskarte Moms PH became really an inspiration. Napakaraming mga istorya, even challenges, tips na makukuha mo just by being a member of that group. But at the same time, makikita mo kung paano inilalaban ng mga bawat nanay yung kanilang mga success stories dun sa grupong yon. The PLDT Homebiz, it actually is a really, really good tool sa aming mga online business owner. Lumalaki ngayon, lumalawak ngayon yung bilang ng mga tanging online marketing ang inaasahan. But through the PLDT Homebiz, they are able to leverage the market. Tayo ay discarding angat sapagkat patuloy nating pinagayaman yung tanging ibinigay na sa atin ng Panginoon, which is yung ability to create wealth.